Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I welcome you to the Hope Matriculation School, Higher Secondary School. Now, this is our online class. Today, we are going to see from our English lesson. So, before we could start our lesson, I would like you all to take out your books to page number. Can anyone tell me what was the last page that we used and we learnt? Come on, tell me which was the last page. No one knows. Very bad. That means you people don't open your book and read it, isn't it? Take out your book to page number 28. Book number 28. Can you see word bank over there? Yes. There. Next to it, can you see I would rather live alone? Very good. So, start reading from there now. I would rather live alone on a deserted island than be a sailor on this ship, he said. Now, what did Alexander Selkirk say? He said that he would like to live all alone, தனிமையா வாழ விரும்புறேன், on a deserted island. Now, what is this? Can you see the picture over here? It is an island. It is a picture of a seashore, isn't it? And but behind that you can see all coconut trees. Behind it there is a island, deserted. அப்படின்னா அங்க ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஒன்றும் இல்லாமல் வெறும் காடாக இருக்கிற ஒரு வனாந்திரமா. ஓகே, டெசர்ட் மீன்ஸ் வனாந்திரம் with nothing over there. Deserted island, all sand, only sands are there. இந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல நான் தனிமையாக இருக்கிற விரும்புகிறேன். Than be a sailor on the ship. ஒரு டு பி அ சேலர், சேலராக இருக்கிறத விட நான் வந்து இப்படிப்பட்ட டெசர்ட் பிளேஸில் தனிமையாக இருக்கிற விரும்புகிறேன். லைக் தட் ஹூ செட்? அலெக்சாண்டர் செல்க்ரிக். வெரி வெல் answered the captain. Now what did the captain say? Very good, fine, you stay here, no problem. We shall put you ashore on the first island that we see. So what did the captain said? Oh, very good. Whatever the first island that we will be seeing, மொத எந்த ஐலண்ட் நம்ம பார்க்குறோமோ அந்த ஐலண்டில் what we will do? உன்னை கொண்டு இறக்கிடுவோம். We will ashore means கரை ஏற்றிடுவோம். உடனே நாங்கள் என்ன செஞ்சிருவோம்? அந்த ஐலண்டில் கரை ஏற்றிடுவோம். We will just leave you there alone in the first island that we see. Do so, said Selkirk. So what did Selkirk say? Okay, fine, do it. அப்படியே செய்யுங்க. You cannot please me better. இதை விட நீங்கள் என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? என்னைய நீங்கள் என்ன ப்ளீஸ்னா என்னைய வந்து ஓ காட், அதாவது லைக் இஃப் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஆங்க்ரி, ஓகே, what will your mother do? She will try to please you. She will try to please you, okay? அதாவது உங்களை சாந்தப்படுத்த, உங்களை நார்மலாக்க பார்ப்பாங்க இல்லையா? ஸோ that is what please. You cannot please me better. இதை விட என்னை வேற எதுவும் செஞ்சுமே நீங்கள் என்ன படுத்த முடியாது, சாந்தப்படுத்த முடியாது. Do that, just drop me in the island. The very next day they saw a little green island. So the next day, அடுத்த நாள், they saw a little green island, கொஞ்சம் பசுமையா இருந்த ஒரு island they saw. There were groves of trees near the shore. What was there? Near the seashore there were groves means group. Groups means group, many. There were groups of trees. Can you see here? Near the shore, and high hills beyond them. And see how many hills and all were there behind. There were groups of trees and high hills behind the seashore in that island. What is the name of this island? Asked Selkirk. Now Selkirk is asking the captain and others that what is the name of this island. Juan Fernandez said the captain. So what did the captain say? That the island name is Juan Fernandez. Set me on the shore and leave me there. So Alexander said that, come on, now set the ship on the shore and just leave me there alone. என்னை அங்க விட்டுட்டு போயிருங்க. Give me a few common tools and some food. Okay, few common tools. What are the common tools? அதாவது if you are there in a seashore or anywhere you want to stay in any island, what you need a hammer. ஒரு சுத்தியல் தேவைப்படும், கொஞ்சம் கம்புகள் தேவைப்படும், டென்ட் போடுறதுக்கு துணிகள் அதெல்லாம். Yes or no? You need all those things. Then for cooking you need some vessels, கொஞ்சம் பாத்திரங்கள், தண்ணி சூடு பண்ண. Do you see Discovery Tamil, Discovery Channel? You can see there people living all alone in the seashore, what all they need. Yeah, that kind of some common things. So he asks them to give some common things and some tools and some food, unavugal, and I will be happy and satisfied, says the sailor. If you give me some common tools that I need, ayudangal and some food to eat, I will be happy. Truptiya irpen, satisfied, truptiya irpen. Who said this? Says the sailor. Who said this? Sailor. Now who was that sailor? It was Alexander the Selkirk. He was the sailor who said, give me some food and some common tools and I'll be happy living here all alone. தேவையில்லாம ஒரு சண்டை போட்டு கோவப்பட்டு இப்போ கடைசியில் என்ன, தனிமையாக ஒரு காட்டுக்குள்ளே, கடலுக்குள்ள ஒரு காட்டுக்குள்ளே குடிக்க தண்ணி இருக்குமா? இருக்காது. ஆல் ஆர் சால்ட்டி வாட்டர். இப்படி அங்கே சாப்பாடு இல்லாமல் இப்படி இருக்கணுமா? அந்த இஃப் தே ஹேவ் கிவன் சம் ஃபுட், அது எவ்வளோ நாளைக்கு வரும்? கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு தான் அந்த சாப்பாடு வரும். சாப்பாடு முடிஞ்சு பிறகு என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? நத்திங். ஸோ then after that he has to search for the food, isn't it? So this is what he said, I will live here all alone. Okay children, now let's take our classwork note and let's start copying this question and answers. Write today's date and start writing. Answer the following. Question number 1. Who ran away from home and went to sea? Who ran away from home and went to sea? It is there in your book. The question is there in your book. So what you are going to do, just I am very sorry, you take out your, okay, copy now, since it is there, you just copy in your classwork. Alexander Selkirk ran away from home to Pacific Ocean. Alexander Selkirk ran away from home to Pacific Ocean. Alexander Selkirk ran away from home to sea. Ran away from home to sea. Who ran away from home and went to sea? Name any one ocean or sea he travelled. Alexander Selkirk ran away from home to Pacific Ocean. There's a small correction children. Alexander Selkirk ran away from home to sea. Full stop. Next one is Pacific Ocean. Okay? Pacific Ocean. First, Alexander Selkirk ran away from home to sea. S-E-A-C, full stop. Then Pacific Ocean. The next one. Who were glad when Alexander ran away from home? Who were glad when Alexander ran away from home? Answer. Alexander's neighbors were glad. Alexander's neighbors were glad when he ran away from home. When he ran away from home. Alexander's neighbors were glad when he ran away from home. Okay, I hope you would have finished, children, writing these questions. Now, the next question. Question number 3. Why were the people glad? The people were glad because Alexander was a rough man with a bad temper and often caused trouble among his neighbors. Why were the people glad? The people were glad because Alexander was a rough man with a bad temper and often caused trouble among his neighbors. Question number 4. Whom was Selkirk speaking with? Whom was Selkirk speaking with? Selkirk was speaking with the captain of the ship. Selkirk was speaking with the captain of the ship. Fifth one. What did Selkirk ask the captain to do? Selkirk was asking the captains to drop him on the desert island. Selkirk was asking the captains to drop him on the desert island. Come on, children, write fast. Write neatly Don't fight there. Write neatly. Okay. Now, correction for yesterday's homework. Okay, children. So this is your correction of yesterday's homework. The first one is already, it is written there with bold in the question itself, isn't it? So you have to just find out the same spelling and write it. So I have not given that. Now the second one is, you have to write correct words. So the first one is, Alina is very stubborn. He lost his temper. Zamyang worked very hard. He deserves. After walking in the heat, we found shelter in a mango grove. Okay. And to make words from sailor, it is sail, rail, soil, rails. The next one is cap, tap, pain, tan. Third one, rag, den, nerd, dare. Fourth one, journal, list, rant and tan. Okay. Now do your corrections quickly. Okay, children. So today's homework is from page number 33. Can you see personal pronouns? Fill in the blanks to complete this passage from the story. So you have to read the story and complete the pronoun and send it to me in your WhatsApp number. Today you have to send it in your WhatsApp number. Is it clear? Okay, I will check it. If you have not written, then you will be punished. So do your homework and send it to me in WhatsApp number. Okay, the next one is, you have to write another homework is, study all the question and answers. Study all the question and answers. You have to study because very shortly you people are going to have your exam. So you have to study it. So I would ask you to study well. Okay. Now page number 35, question number 2. Fill in the blanks with personal pronouns. Okay, now what are personal pronouns? Do you know what is personal pronoun? I hope all of us know personal pronoun. I thought you, yes, personal pronoun is I, she, he, it. So using that we have to write this, fill in the blanks. Okay, that is my sister. She is the best basketball player in the school. Okay, so she is a personal word. That means that she is talking about one person, isn't it? Personal na tanipatta. Okay, now the second one, the students are celebrating dash, just won the inter-school quiz contest. So students means, is it single or plural? Plural. So plural means what will come? He, she or they? So what is the answer? They. They just won the internal school quiz. So now do you understand? Are dash going to the school quiz? Are he, she, it, they. What will come here? So ask questions like this and write the answer. I, you, he, she, it, they, them. Like that you ask question and write answers. I have done 3 things for you. Now you have to write the correct answers. Just find out and write the correct answers. Okay, children? Okay, bye. See you again tomorrow.